Hello friends, I am Chittaranjan Mahapatra. Today we are going to revisit the most repeated questions of bank PO and clerk exams. The objective of this video is to anticipate upcoming questions by revisiting previous papers and add value to our precious time. Note, we have altered a couple of questions according to recent scenario. Let's start our journey. When the growth of GDP in a country slows down suddenly, people start losing their jobs and the situation continues for several weeks. What name is given to this state of economy? A. Inflation, B. Recession, C. Deflation, D. Economic boom. And the answer is recession. Who amongst the following is the author of the book The Shape of the Beast? A. Arundhati Roy, B. V.S. Naipaul, C. Salman Rushdie, D. Chetan Bhagat. And the answer is Arundhati Roy. Who amongst the following is the author of the book Animal People? A. V.S. Naipaul, B. Kiran Desai, C. Anita Desai, D. Indra Sinha. And the answer is D. Indra Sinha. In commodity exchanges in India, index futures are not permitted as some of the provisions of the FCRA do not allow the same. What is the full form of FCRA? A. Foreign Commodities Regulation Act. B. Forward Commodities Repurchasing Act. C. Forward Contracts Reformation Act. D. Forward Contracts Regulation Act. And the answer is Forward Contracts Regulation Act. What is the full form of APEC? APEC. A. Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, B. Afro-Pacific Economic Council, C. Asia Pacific Economic Council, D. Alliance for Promotion of Economic Cooperation. And the answer is Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Which of the following books has been written by V.S. Naipaul? A. The Last Hero, B. Bliss Was in That Dawn, C. Train to Pakistan, D. A House for Mr. Biswas. The answer is A House for Mr. Biswas. Number 7. Who amongst the following is the author of the book The Rediscovery of India? And the answer is A. Meghnad Desai, B. Romila Thapar, C. Mulk Raj Anand, D. Amit Chaudhary. And the answer is Amit Chaudhary. Value added services mean A. Costlier products, B. Large number of products, C. Additional services, D. At par service. And the answer is additional services. What is the full form of NBFC as used in financial sector? A. Non-banking finance company, B. National Banking and Finance Corporation, C. New Business Finance and Credit, D. Non-banking financial company. And the answer is non-banking financial company. Which of the following is considered an NBFC? NABARD, B. Life Insurance Corporation of India, C. RBI, D. SEBI. And the answer is Life Insurance Corporation of India. Bank assurance can be sold to A. All banks, B. All insurance companies, C. Insurance agents, D. All existing and prospective bank customers. And the answer is all existing and prospective bank customers. Cross-selling is not effective for which one of the following products? A. Debit cards, B. Savings accounts, C. Internet banking, D. Pension loans. And the answer is savings account. Cross-selling is the basic function of A. All employers, B. All employees, C. All salespersons, D. Planning department. And the answer is all selling salespersons. SME means A. Selling and marketing establishment, B. Selling and managing employee, C. Sales and marketing entity, D. Small and medium enterprises. And the answer is small and medium enterprises. Home loans can be best canvassed among A. Builders, B. Flat owners, C. Individuals wanting to buy a flat or house, D. Agriculturist. And the answer is individuals wanting to buy a flat or house. Manesar is an industrial town in A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Gujarat. And the answer is Haryana. PVR is the name of a leading dash A. Retail store chain, B. Fast food restaurant, C. Casual footwear chain, D. Multiplex chain operator. And the answer is multiplex chain operator. Which of the following awards is given only to individuals and organizations of Asian countries for excellence in their respective fields? And the answer is A. Booker Prizes, B. Nobel Prizes, C. Templeton Prize, D. Ramon Magsaysay Award. And the answer is Ramon Magsaysay Award. Which is top gold producing country in the world? A. Saudi Arab, B. China, C. Singapore, D. Kuwait. And the answer is China. Which Indian city is known as the Garden City? A. Udaipur, B. Chandigarh, C. Srinagar, D. Bangalore. And the answer is Bangalore. Who amongst the following is the author of the English novel The White Tiger? A. Kiran Desai, B. V.S. Naipaul, C. Shashi Tharoor, D. Arvind Adiga. And the answer is Arvind Adiga. Under the RTI Act, the time for disposal of request for information in cases concerning life and liberty is dash A. 30 days, B. 15 days, C. 10 days, D. 7 days. And the answer is 30 days. United States Atomic Energy Act 1954 establishes an agreement of cooperation as a prerequisite for nuclear deals between US and any other nation. Such an agreement is popularly known as A. Agreement of Cooperation, B. 123 Agreement, C. PL 480. D. A to Z agreement. And the answer is 1, 2, 3 agreement. World No Tobacco Day is observed every year on dash 31st January, 31st May, 31st July, 31st October, and the answer is 31st May. Which of the following is not a consumer right as per the Consumer Protection Act 1986? A. Right to consumer education. B. Right to safety. C. Right to be informed. D. Right to negotiate. And the answer is right to negotiate. Which of the following is a book authored by Sri Pranab Mukherjee? A. The Inheritance of Loss. B. The Argumentative Indian. C. Beyond Survival. Emerging Dimensions of Indian Economy. D. The Family and the Nation. And the answer is Beyond Survival, Emerging Dimensions of Indian Economy. For the management of natural resources, the Indian Space Research Organization has recently operationalized a Indian remote sensing satellite, B. Indian National Satellite, INSAT, Geostationary Satellite Launch Vehicle, GSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV. And the answer is Indian Remote Sensing Satellite. Which of the following is a power generating company? A. Reliance. B. Hindalco. C. Tisco. D. HPCL. And the answer is Reliance. Which of the following is not a public sector bank? A. Corporation Bank. B. United Bank of India. C. Vijaya Bank. D. Federal Bank. And the answer is Federal Bank. A form of international weather modification by trying to change the amount or type of precipitation that falls from clouds by dispersing substances into air that serve as cloud condensation. Spelling mistake. This is cloud condensation. It is wrongly typed as good condensation. This is cloud condensation. It's called cloud computing. B. Cloud technology. C. Cloud seeding. D. Cloud control. And the answer is cloud seeding. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me in edu successmantra@gmail.com. Thanks again.